Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra new camera design has been surfaced. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, we already know that Galaxy S22 Ultra will be arriving in two different camera design. One was the P-shaped camera design, while the other one was coming with a vertical camera bump on the back side, and nothing was confirmed at that point. But today a new leak has been coming from a credible source, the On Leaks, which pretty much confirms that this is going to be the final design. Well, actually this new camera design is looking pretty much similar to the rainbow camera design that we have already seen in the LG Velvet, and it's pretty much going to be looking like this is going to be the final design that Samsung has confirmed it internally. Also, that leak has been backed up by the Ice Universe as well, which he also thinks that this is going to be the final design we are going to see in the flagship Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is not going to be the first time we have seen that particular design. The LG Velvet is the first device which was coming with this design, and also the Samsung in-house Galaxy A32 was coming with similar design. So obviously this is not going to be a new design option that Samsung is bringing. But what is more interesting in the Galaxy S22 Ultra, judging upon the render images that has been surfaced, these camera sensors on the back side are going to be a little bit on the larger side, which definitely going to be improving the quality of the images. And talking about that camera design, Ice Universe has shared a backup cover for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which has an interesting choice of camera cutouts present on the back side. And interestingly, we are not going to see any kind of a flashlight cutout for that particular case. And according to On Leaks, he shared an interesting information and giving us an interesting theory about the flashlight, that it might be coming with the sensor that is going to be coming on the back side of S22 Ultra. That means that on the half side we have the sensor, and on the other half we will be seeing the LED flashlight, because the sensor are going to be pretty much huge. Anyhow, talking about the camera sensor, what we have going to see the 4 camera setup on the back side, in which the main sensor is obviously going to be the 108 megapixel of a camera sensor, while the other cameras are going to be 12 megapixel ultra wide or 2 telephoto cameras on the back side, in which one is going to be coming with a 3 times of optical zoom and the other one is coming with a 10 times of optical zoom. And there is going to be a laser autofocus sensor and the LED flashlight on the back of the device. Interestingly, we are going to see a larger display of 6.8 inches, which is also going to be Samsung best of the class LED panel will be introduced in that, and the front is also going to be coming with a smaller punch hole as well, and the smaller bezels are expected to be coming in the S22 Ultra. And we're also going to see a small punch hole on the front of the device, which is coming with the 40 megapixel of a sensor according to the leaks and rumor. What is more interesting this time around, that we are going to see for the first time in the Galaxy S series to be coming with a dedicated S Pen slot inside the device, which pretty much gives us a vibe of the Note device, and all those fans who want to have a Note device like experience and have an S Pen built in inside the device will definitely love this option. Lastly, we are going to see the Snapdragon 898 and Exynos 2200 processor for different markets, so it depends where you are going to buy that device. So both the devices will expect to be coming with a great performance in terms of processing, but for the first time in Exynos we are going to see the AMD GPU, so definitely expect a larger boost in the GPU department. Finally, this device is expected and rumors to be launched in February 2022, not the date which have already seen for the S21 Ultra, which was in January. So we are hoping that this device might be coming with some new cool features inside in terms of software as well. So guys, overall in summary, the S22 Ultra design for the camera bump hasn't been finalized yet. There are 3 different options are available right now, but considering the fact that 2 of the leakster which are more credible are giving the same information, so we definitely stick towards the rainbow camera design which is going to be finalized. So hope that is going to be the final answer for the camera design, and I think that this is going to be a better design as compared to the other 2 models. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new design? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.